This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Let's talk about Jonny Blockchain and the decentralized and centralized bot, how those two are performing. A week ago, I started to use the bot with the Binance API connection. I have some data to compare both of those options. What are the advantages of each bot? What are the fees on each one of them? And also I'm going to tell you which one is my favorite. Before we continue, I want to invite you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you in advance for your support to the channel. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Now, let me tell you what is Jonny Blockchain. This is not a project. This is not a daily ROI app. This is an automated crypto bot that is going to do whatever we ask them to do. It's the first trading bot in pancakeswap that we can use with our MetaMask wallet. We can also use it with Uniswap. Those are the decentralized automations. But we can also do centralized trading using Binance. With Binance, it's going to run through an API connection. With both options, we're going to have full control of our capital. We can see the full reports in the blockchain or inside our Binance account. We need to pay that 25 USDT license that is going to run for 1 year, and we can run as many bots as we want. So far, it's delivering very positive results, but I would call this a long-term opportunity. If you are looking for daily fixed returns, then Jonny Blockchain is not that type of opportunity. This is real trading. It's all based on the market conditions, the token appreciation, and also the amount of money that we're going to allocate for any of those bots. First, I got started with the DEX trading. That means I was using my MetaMask. My first bot started to run on the 27th of December. I got returns between 8% to 43%. Last Monday, I got started with the Binance automation. I got only a few coins because I want to see first how those ones perform. We got returns between 4% to 70%, just like with this one. In all of those bots, I'm using the same settings. It might not be a fair comparison because first, the amount that I allocate for each bot is different. 104, 128, this one 156. And also earlier this month, the market was having more activity, but compared to these ones that I started a week ago, the market doesn't have much fluctuation. I'm also using different coins in both alternatives. But if we take a look at the fees, I was checking those ones earlier. I think the fees are lower with the pancakeswap automation. In these ones, they tend to keep the initial opening amount. And by the way, I'm also compounding in both options, pancakeswap and Binance. I think Binance has slightly higher fees. Still, we have the chance to reduce some of those fees by enabling this feature. Let me show you. They are giving us a 25% discount on fees if we are using BNB. You need to enable that feature. To do that, you're going to come here where it says dashboard. You're going to scroll down all the way. Here where it says support. Right below, you will find something called fees. When we click there, it's going to send us to this page where we can find that option of the 25% discount. This is using the spot trading, and that's exactly what we are using with Jonny Blockchain. So that's an option that is available for anyone. But now let's talk about the differences between both of them. The pancakeswap automation, well, this is decentralized trading. That means we don't have a middleman. Your funds stay in your control all the time. You can see those inside your MetaMask wallet. The bot here executes trades directly on the blockchain. All of this through a smart contract. It's like trading peer-to-peer, so there is no interaction with any third-party application. With the Binance automation, and Binance is the biggest exchange platform in the world with a system that is built to do this. That involves the middleman, which is Binance itself. We have a bunch of different coins that we can use, very profitable ones, but with pancakeswap, we have more options. That is one extra point for pancakeswap. There are pairs that we don't have it in Binance. So pancakeswap has lower fees. They have more coins to trade with. Also, the connection is super easy. We are using only our MetaMask wallet. Only with a couple of clicks, we can make it run. With Binance, well, it's a little bit more technical. We need an API connection. We have less coins to trade with. We can request to add a couple of coins inside Jonny Blockchain. They did it last week. They were having a couple of bugs with the Binance connection, but all of those are solved now. But to me, what makes the final decision whether the decentralized bot or centralized bot is better, well, I don't know. It's just my opinion. I think in terms of profits, the Binance connection is giving way better results. I'm testing only these few coins, but the results are doubling the results in the DEX trader. Again, it all depends on the market conditions, but in my opinion, that I'm going to look for coins with more longevity, something that I can see grow through time. I can find those pairs inside Binance. Right here, let me show you. Just by clicking in this box, you have the DEX trader in Uniswap or pancakeswap. With these two, you need to approve the token. That's how you're going to connect your wallet to the smart contract. With Binance, we don't need that. We only select the pair. After that, we click in activate. If you want this strategy to keep running continuously, we're going to select this option. Of course, we want it to compound. We only need to decide how much we're going to allocate for this bot. If you want a lower amount, you need to come here to the bottom of the page and remove positions. That is going to reduce the amount inside that bot. All right, you can see there. Or if you want a bigger amount, you can do the same. You can add more positions right here. After that, we're going to click in save. And another good thing about this project is that they are giving us a list of the most profitable coins. Any of those are working extremely well. They are also planning to give us a list of the top coins of the week. Also, we might have a list of the best performing accounts inside Jonny Blockchain. It will be kind of a copy trading feature, so we can follow those guys that are having great results. If you want to get started, I recommend that after you open your account, you're going to come right here, click in a step-by-step user's guide. There you're going to find the list of all the videos you need to follow in order to get started. If you want to follow the DEX bot, you have all those videos there. If you want to use Binance, you have videos there too. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you. You can find me on Telegram. If you are already inside Jonny Blockchain, let me know which one is your favorite, the decentralized bot or the centralized bot. Leave your comments down below, and I will also appreciate if you can give me your likes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will see you soon with another Jonny Blockchain update. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.